Alright, Bob, this is what we have here. This is the zLock. You can see that this part right here floats up and back and then winds up being tightened with this little screw down knob, so that when you place it in, you wind up sticking it into the receptacle like so, and then you will then force this little part right here in and screw this down to tighten it into the place where it's supposed to go. And then once it gets tightened in, you can no longer pull it out. It sits there and you can do all you want to it and it's not going to come out of there. As you can see here with my demonstration, I'm really giving it what for and it's not coming out. So then you bring it back down and you will go ahead and unscrew the little knob, and then you'll pull this part out right here, which releases the wedge that's inside of it. And as you pull that wedge out, it then will come out just like, let me see if I can get a better angle here, but then it will come out just like a regular plug. And that's how that works. Same thing on the other side, going into the C13. Same thing. You can see how when you take a look at it here, you've got the little wedge that comes in. The wedge then pushes up and wedges against the sides. You tighten with this little bolt right here that then screws down on top of it. And once it's screwed down and in, when you pop it inside, it winds up sliding in. If I had two hands, this would be a lot easier. But it slides in just like so. Once it's inside, the wedge wedges down and in. You tighten the little nut. And then once tightened, it stays inside. It doesn't come out. As you can see here, I'm shaking it vigorously. If I had two hands, I'd pull. I only have the one hand because I'm holding on to this. And then same thing, go ahead and untighten the bolt, as you see right down here, allowing you the ability to pull back the wedge, which I just did, and you can see how that comes out. And then it'll release quite easily from the piece. And there it is. That would be the Zonit dual-ended locking power cord, otherwise known as the zLock.